Experience the simplicity and ease of Illy's Eper Espresso system with one-touch brewing. Simply press the cup button when it turns blue, and perfect extraction begins and stops automatically, delivering unparalleled Illy espresso every time. The unique Illy Eper Espresso capsule features the Eper chamber, where the innovative two-stage extraction process takes place, creating an intensely aromatic, full-bodied espresso with long-lasting velvety crema. Easy-to-use soft-touch buttons, a lighted central display, and acoustic signals alert you when the machine temperature is correct for making espresso, steaming milk, and provides basic troubleshooting. The unique Illy Eper Espresso capsule sits inside the filter holder. There is absolutely no contact between the machine and the coffee inside the capsule. The machine stays perfectly clean, enhancing the quality and purity of every cup. The professional steam wand makes it easy to produce perfectly frothed milk every time. For authentic Italian cappuccino and lattes in your home, just like the barista in your favorite cafe. The large capacity 34-ounce water tank lets you easily make between 22 to 30 servings, giving you the freedom to brew quality espresso for you and your guests.